In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use Mopria Print to print via Wi-Fi Direct to your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. Printing via Wi-Fi Direct does not require any network or USB cable to be connected to the printer. So to begin, we'll go to our Android Play Store and download Mopria Print. Do a search for Mopria Print. Install the Mopria Print service. Once it's installed, open the app. So there are different ways to print, as shown. You need to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, as our printer is currently connected to a network, we will turn it off so that it is disconnected from the network. On the Mopria app, we'll select Wi-Fi Direct. It has found our HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. Select that. Press on the blinking information button to connect. So now our mobile device is connected via Wi-Fi Direct to the printer. We will print our own PDF document. We will print this document. Do ensure that you open with Mopria Print. So this is a two-page document that we're going to print using Mopria Print with Wi-Fi Direct. Let's select a printer. We'll select the Direct HP DeskJet 2800 series. We are ready to print. So this is a two-page document that is printed using Mopria Print with Wi-Fi Direct on your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. So this is how you set up and use the Mopria Print with Wi-Fi Direct on your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series.